I was so pleased with your answers, brothers and sisters. And when your answers are correct, I get a special happiness that things are now, working and you're understanding. We have to fill in the blanks. But what kind of a word is there in the front? For example, al-hajaru, al-kamaru, al-mindilu, al-babu, al-waraku, al-labanu. And I was pleased with your answers, brothers and sisters, because you say this is all mubtada. It means we are looking to fit in a proper khabar. And you did very well, but we'll do one more time. You can do it together. Brother, if I say al-hajaru, what will be your answer? Thaqilun, mashallah. Huh? If I say al-babu, maftuhun. Huh? You got the idea, brother? Farooq, inshallah. If I say al-kamaru, jamilun, mashallah. If I say al-waraku, khafifun. Al-mindilu, wasikhun. Wasikhun. Al-labanu, harun. Harun. So you see, you got the idea. We had the mubtada and you brought the khabar to complete the sentence. Now in the next sentence, the next exercise, brothers and sisters, in the next exercise, we have a khabar. Now we have to bring in mubtada, but the mubtadas are not given. Subjects are not given. So you have to think. And if you have read your lesson 2-3 times, then the answers will come with ease, inshallah. Okay, brother, nadifun, something is clean. Al-mindilu nadifun, al-kamisu nadifun. You can, say anything you want to say, inshallah. Next one is maksurun, something is broken. Al-kalamu maksurun, al-kursiyu maksurun, as-sariru maksurun, anything you want to say. Huh? Something is cold, baridun. Al-ma'u baridun. Or you can say al-labanu baridun. Huh? Okay. Later on when we learn al-jawwu baridun, the weather is cold. Later on you will learn more vocabs, inshallah. Okay. Qaribun, something is near. Al-masjidu qaribun, al-baytu qaribun. Are you with me? Fine, brothers and sisters. Something is far. Al-baytu ba'idun or al-masjidu ba'idun. Okay. Or al-kamaru ba'idun. Okay. Waqifun, someone is standing. Al-muhandisu waqifun. Ar-rajulu waqifun. Okay. At-tabibu waqifun. Brothers and sisters, you can use your own sentences now. You can make even half a dozen sentences. So this is a good exercise to make your own sentences. Okay. And if you have children, brother, if you teach them, they will start speaking these sentences. I have experienced it, with children. They pick up very fast. Jalisun, someone is sitting. Al-muhandisu jalisun, mudarrisu jalisun. Okay. At-talibu jalisun, the student is sitting. Fine. Kabirun. Al-hisanu kabirun, the horse is big. But do you see now, brother? We are using definite noun first as a mubtada, and the khabar is coming as indefinite. Keep that in mind. Now, this rule, most of the time, there will be some exceptions, and we will learn from the Qur'an those things, inshallah. Brother, for your information, I will speak from time to time about Qur'an. What is Qur'an, brother? Qur'an is such a unique book, 1400 plus year old, Nothing has been written like that in Arabic language to match Qur'an. It's unique. The grammar of Arabic language is derived from Qur'an. Can you imagine? The grammar of Arabic language came from the Quran. The Quran dictates the grammar of Arabic language, brother. So everything that you want to learn about Arabic grammar, the Quran is going to teach you. And everything we will learn, brother. But if we don't learn the language, then we are missing out so much. And from time to time, I'll bring examples, Even examples of exception to the rule, we will find it in the Quran, And you will love it. And most of you are very well into Quran. You have been studying for a long time. You have memorized. But now you will understand the Quran from a different perspective. It will come to you in a different colors, And inshallah, we will feel the magic of Quran in our heart. Okay, inshallah. Something is old. Qadimun. Al-Kitabu Qadimun. If you, Sister Maimuna, loudly, sister. Al-Baytu Qadimun. MashaAllah. Al-Baytu Qadimun. Correct. Al-Baytu Qadimun. Al-Masjidu Qadimun. Okay, very good. Jadidun, something is new. At-Tabibu Jadid. Okay, Al-Kitab, Al-Kalam. You can say a house, whatever you want to say. But you will start with definite noun, which is coming as a mubtada. MashaAllah. Al-Kalimatul Jadidu. But the new words. These are the new words. Okay, sure. Now, you will, I would like you to memorize them, the vocabs. The vocabs we should memorize. From now onwards, we should make a special effort to memorize. But for intensive course, you got to study every day at home. You'll have to set out a time and study every day, inshallah. Al-Kamaru, what is the meaning, brother? The moon. Jadidun, new. Qadimun, Wasikhun, mashallah. Nadhifun, Harun, Baridun, Saghirun, Kabirun, Maftuhun, open. Maksurun, Faqilun, heavy. Khafifun, Jamilun,
Beautiful.
Waqifun, standing. Jalisun. So there are many words in this block, brothers and sisters, which are opposite to each other. So you should try to figure them out. It will help you to memorize it quickly. For example, brothers and sisters, Jadidun, what is opposite of Jadidun? Qadim. What is the opposite of Wasikhun? Nazifun. What is the opposite of Harun? You see how clever Dr. Abdurrahim is? He does it so beautifully, brother. I think this is a beautiful idea. When I first learned this, I was amazed, that this makes learning very easy. Saghirun, Kabirun. Okay? Then we have Thaqilun, Khafifun. Thaqilun, heavy, Khafifun, light, brother.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا